All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Here's just a real quick one today to talk about our third assignment that we haven't talked about yet. Okay, so remember, attendance question at the top, week 1 assignments. We're going to look at the Edpuzzle. Each week we're going to do just a little listening activity because developing those ears is just as important. So just click on the link, and if you haven't done Edpuzzle yet, it's just a simple video that I've kind of thrown in some questions here or there. I read out the instructions for you, you watch through, and there's 3 questions to answer. The only thing to quick underline, the open-ended question at the end. You just want to make sure you are using things you saw in the video. The more direct you can make it, the better it is. Okay? And then that's it. So this is one that you'll be able to kind of take care of real quick. Meaning your goals today should be to practice the performance for a little bit. You can just load up that practice video and go right along with it. And then try to take care of the Edpuzzle today. And then that will get you all set up to do your recording Friday, and that'll be it for your week. So, as we go through today, if you have any questions, make sure you check out the question forum. Use the Padlet, use the Q&A on Flipgrid, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll just be sitting here getting stuff ready for next week. All right, have a great one, everybody. Let me know if you need help.